Alright, what's up, guys? It's another one. With my 306 update. It's my old carburetor. The accelerator pump is gone out on it. Didn't have no accelerator pump. The accelerator pump was gone out on this one. I think I was having a problem with the choke, the electric choke as well, but I went on and put another one on here. It's doing what it's supposed to do pretty much. I don't have the electric choke wired up yet. I'm gonna run the wire. Well, actually I do. I just unplugged it. But I run the wire. The electric choke wire right here. Like I know it look kind of messy and nasty, but I put it together. I don't know why they put this bracket on there like that. Shit kind of in the way, but kind of look kind of shitty a little bit, but it's hard. That's how I got it for right now. My fuel pump comes on with the key on, so I have my oil pressure switch relays. My oil pressure relay switch wired down there. It's hooked to an adapter. It's my oil pressure switch. I have power. P terminal, which is power to the pump, or power. Goes to the positive terminal on the pump. I have my I terminal, this for ignition, it goes to ignition, to the coil, to the relay, starter relay, and you have an S terminal that goes to the starter, or it goes to the starter, or whatnot. Right here. I'm charging my battery up right now, but as you can see, I'll show y'all down in there. See if I can do this with 2 hands. Show this thing gas. One thing is, I said when you start sitting up like that, the cylinders get dry because the car haven't been crunked up. The engine ain't ran in years. But I small mixture oil in, let me see. It's cranking over. Then you crank over trying to get it to start. And I gotta figure out my ignition source. And also I got a leak right here on the. I'm gonna have to put some thread tape. I just got this. I got 2 that want the gauge on here, and I got this, the other box. Free pressure regulating, and I got the other one with the gauge, which I'm gonna put the other one with the gauge back on there so I can see my free pressure. So you can see it is gas inside, and I turn the key on and crank. Turn the key on, it does, the pump does come on. The key on, I'm gonna rewire that. I'm gonna put an in-tank gas pump in here. Let's see about the spark. I'm actually finna get ready to go to work. We go to the shop. Let's put a couple motors in, finish up with those, but that's what I got going. I didn't give it a shot of starter plug. I'm gonna come back to y'all, alright?